When will you use your job safety analysis? Well, when you completed your Take Care Be Aware site check, did you find any hazards not yet recorded in your hazard register? If the answer is yes, you need to complete one. Why? The job safety analysis will help you to calculate the level of risk and to determine if there are any controls that you need to put in place. Okay, how do I do it? Open the Safety Work Kits app on your device and go to the Daily Use tab. You'll see the Job Safety Analysis Risk Assessment, also known as a JSA. Click on this pencil here to create a new one. Let's enter our details. The name of the person doing the assessment, that's you. The date of the assessment, and the location. If this hazard can be found at multiple sites, you can enter various, but if it's site specific, enter the address here. Describe the new situation, task, or hazard. What do you put here? Give a brief description of your new hazard. As an example, we're going to use dogs running free. Now scroll to the bottom and hit next. How much harm could result? This is a handy drop-down tab. Look through the options and select the one that's most applicable. Perhaps it's cuts or bruises requiring first aid. What is the chance of an accident? What if we select it's not very likely to happen? You'll see our result is low. The app has calculated it for you, and all you need to do now is submit, and you're all complete. However, if we go back to what chance of an accident, perhaps we actually selected could happen. Our result is now medium. If the result is medium, high, or extreme, you'll be asked to click next, where you will enter the controls required. We have some checkboxes. So, can the hazard be removed from the site? In our example, probably not. We're not going to ask our client to get rid of their dog. Can the hazard be replaced with something else? Again, I'm not sure about you, but I'm unlikely to ask my clients to swap their dog for a different animal. Can the hazard be isolated to prevent people from being harmed? Let's tick this one. We could ask our client to restrain their dog or to put it in another area where it's not a danger to us. Can the job procedure be changed to one with a lower risk? Probably not for this example. Do workers and others need personal protective equipment? It's possibly they could. Let's tick that one. And scroll down. What do we put here? Here we put the details of our controls. Do you remember our first one? It's to ask our client to restrain their dog. And our second one was personal protective equipment. Perhaps our team could wear thicker trousers or chaps to protect them if a dog did try to bite them. Once you've entered all of your controls, scroll to the bottom and submit. As a great time-saving feature, you can now add this hazard straight into your hazard register. You'll be asked to make 2 small adjustments to your hazard register, as adding in the specific harm that could result and how often you need to assess this hazard. Once you've done those 2 steps, you're all complete and ready to go.